Okay, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to add sounds and music to your video. Now, there are a couple of different ways that you can do this, and I'm going to show you the way that a lot of people go about it. Here we have the video clip. It's in the last tutorial of my stuff from the library. Now, what we are going to do is we're going to add a music track to go along with this. Now, you can have music tracks and sounds that you can search for on TikTok, or you can have your own made up and put it with the video that you would have in your camera roll. But we're going to go ahead and do it the way that's found on TikTok. And I'm going to discuss how it's beneficial to really think about the sounds and music that you put up. So I'm going to tap in the lower left-hand corner on sounds. And what I'm going to do is I can do a search for a sound. I can go through all of the sounds that are here, or I can go through my favorites that I have tagged. And you can go through and tag your favorite sounds or background tracks that you have found on different videos. And you can go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and add this one. And I tapped on it, which gave me the check mark. And I'm going to go ahead and tap on the check mark, which is going to add it to my video. Now, once I've got it added to the video, we're not quite done yet. You're going to go ahead and tap right next to the added sound. Right next to it is volume. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to boost your original sound up and take your music track down, or you can change it however you want. You can have the music track totally overriding your speech, or you can have it vice versa. But what you want to think about is this going to be able to be understood by the people who are viewing this video? Now, once we're done, once you get the sound that you wanted added either from your favorites or from search, once you've got the volume level set, go ahead and tap anywhere on the video, and then you're done with creating sound. Now, this is the thing that you really need to think about with regard to your sounds. You really need to consider the sounds can be optimized. Let me show you what I'm saying. In addition to your videos ranking on TikTok and people liking or double hearting your videos, in addition to all that stuff, they can also find you through your sounds. Now I'm going to go back to my home page, and I'm going to go ahead and tap on the spinning record down to the lower right hand corner, and you can see all of the sounds that have been associated with this. And we're going to go ahead and see more. These are all of the instances where this individual has used this sound. And you can see up in the upper left-hand corner of all this grid, you can see the original sound. And TikTok has just started doing this, and it may not show up on all of them, but it will show up on quite a few of them. But you are able to see all of the users on TikTok that have used this sound and have done lip syncs or dances or things like that. So if you are a musician, or if you are a business and want to create a type of vibe, think about the sounds that you use with regard to all of this stuff. And I really believe that if you start thinking about all of this stuff, thinking about your sounds, you are going to start gaining a lot of audiences. A lot of your audience is going to gravitate towards your account through your sound if it happens to be a very popular one that people go to. Now, I have a TikTok account, and it's basically private. But there's one sound on here. This is Emperor Palpatine, the Do It sound. And it's been played several times. Now, if I go on here, I can see one other person has used this sound for their video. Now, it's not a real popular thing, and this is basically a TikTok account set up for private just for fun. But it shows the power of it. You can find stuff and follow a channel not only from its videos, but for its sounds as well. So that is really something to consider whenever you're setting up sounds. You can get it from TikTok, or you can make your own and assign it to the video that you upload from your camera roll.